Right, guys, we have this new REVOX airdrop that is happening on the Binance Web3 wallet. Let me quickly show you how you can participate on this airdrop campaign. It's a daily check-in campaign that you have to do. Let me quickly show you the entire process. All you have to do is open your Web3 wallet, and once you are here, you will see this join 1 million REVOX points airdrop, and just click on join now. You would be on this landing page. I would share my invite code. If you want to use it, you can use it, and you will have the social task of following REVOX on Twitter, and then follow the Binance wallet as well. Once you're done, you have to type your Twitter ID, so they will verify. If that happens, it takes about an hour, and once you're done that, you have to come here and do the daily check-in. So once you click on the day one check-in, you will have two options. One is through linear and the other one is through OPBNB, which is something which I used, so I'll be sharing you the same process as well. All you have to do is open your Web3 wallet and have some BNB. If you don't have BNB, just transfer it from your Binance wallet to your wallet one on BNB, like the BEP20, and transfer it, and just say maximum or whatever the amount. So let's say I'm transferring $3 worth BNB. Just click on withdraw. It will go directly to your Web3 wallet, and once that's done, all you have to do is go to this website, which is it's opbnbbridge.bnbchain.org deposit. All you have to do is connect your Binance Web3 wallet, and once you connect it, you have to enter whatever the BNB that you want to deposit. Just connect your wallet, and you will have BNB here. Just click on max, and you will receive the OPBNB. It would take about a minute or so for you to get it on. So OPBNB is basically a different network than the BNB chain. So you can transfer like $1 or $2 worth the OPBNB, and once you're done that, it will be on your wallet as well. And all you have to do is just do the transactions. I would suggest just transfer like $2 worth or something like that, and $2 worth BNB. That should be more than enough. So this task is going to continue for the next 13 days. So it's a 2-week campaign, and all you have to do is every day you have to do this daily check-in. So I have done it already for yesterday and today, and tomorrow I'll be doing another check-in, and you have to do this for the next 13 days, and hopefully you'll get your rewards directly on your Web3 wallet.